welcome to the channel. This is a guide for scrcpy and Windows 11. The good news is nothing has really changed and you should be able to carry over using it if you've upgraded straight from Windows 10, and a clean install will work the same as well. So as far as I can see, everything within scrcpy stays the same, but for anyone new who's setting it up, we'll go through the whole process. So it will basically allow you to control your phone from Windows 11 with your mouse and keyboard, or from your device at the same time. Basically same as everything that's happening on screen here. So the first thing you need to do is head on over to the scrcpy website. I'll leave a link in the description. Then you just head on down and download the latest version. Pick your architecture, so obviously it'll be Windows 64-bit this time around. Just find the exact download spot. Okay, so that's the downloads here. Windows, and yeah, just pick your version. Once you've got that on your computer, you can save it wherever you like. Got mine saved on an SD card in this folder here. It's just under my phone name. So once you've got it on your computer, just right click and extract it, and you'll get this list of files here. So to open it, you would click on this one, or this one. Now this bottom one here allows you to open it without a console window, so a command window. This one here opens it with a command window. Even though you can't enter commands, you can see what's actually happening with it, and it'll open just like this and give you access. So once you've extracted it, the next thing you need to do is go over to your Android device, go to settings, and make sure you have developer options enabled. So this option here, this is disabled on all phones by default, so you'll have to do a quick search on how to enable it on your phone, because it does vary. Once you've got developer options, just tap it, then scroll down and enable USB debugging. And on some other devices, I think Samsung S21 and some of the newer high-end models, you might need to enable something in developer options called ISB tethering, and this allows you to actually connect it to your computer properly. And on some Chinese models, there's another option in here as well. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but in some of the comments on the other videos, you should be able to find exactly what it is, because it does vary again between devices. But for the most part, USB debugging and the ISB tethering, and your phone part is pretty much done. Next thing you need to do is make sure your phone is connected to your computer with a file sharing cable. So you can't use a charge only cable. You need to be able to send data across, so make sure you've got that. Then make sure you have USB file transfer enabled. You leave this set to charge only or anything else, it won't work. So make sure that's set with developer options enabled. Then simply go back over here. I'll just close that so we can open a new one, and open one of these files. So we'll open it with console first. That's what it'll look like, and it'll leave the window open. It's kind of ugly, so best option is to use the no console, and it will open like that. And you can control it with your mouse and keyboard, do whatever you like, use any of the shortcuts. Now also you can set up shortcuts for any of the keys on the scrcpy page. So any of these commands you can set up in a bat file, and they'll allow you to run any of these at the same time you open the icon. So no borders, change screen resolution, whatever. I've done a separate video on that, so you can check that one out in the scrcpy playlist. If you want to go back and check any of the older videos for the setup guide for Windows 10, it's pretty much the same, but that's also in the playlist. And yeah, that's pretty much everything for this one. Windows 11 hasn't really changed anything for scrcpy, which is good, but it's still early yet. This is the first release build, so it may change down the track, but for now it's nice and easy. Anyway, if you found this video useful, just swing us a like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.